Welcome back to the shop today, guys. And do I have news for you? We got big changes coming, and I just wanted to do this video to let you know what's happening. So I've been working a lot at my day job and then also here in the shop. Powder coat has been going well, plasma cutting's been going well. And you know what? A guy's just running out of room. I'll give you a little pan around here. Yes, my shop is dirty, but like we always say, if your shop ain't dirty, you ain't doing nothing. This guy has sat for far too long, and it looks like it's gonna be another year without it. We'll see how far a guy gets this summer, but a little sad about that whole. Yeah, we won't talk about that. But anyway, it's lots going on. I don't know how to say it. It's messy. I'm busy, and you know what? The best thing to do when you got so much on your brain and so much left to do for customers is to move. Yep, that sounds about right. So we're gonna be moving. I will be upgrading to a larger shop. That is not why we purchased the property. Family just needs a little bit more room to grow. We got 2 kids, and our house is starting to feel a little small. So we're upgrading a little bit. So we bought a house to fixer-upper because, again, like I said, we're not busy enough. So we're going to be renovating that house, plus I'll be moving into a shop. And I'd like to show you that shop here shortly in this video. But I just kind of want to take in what we got here. Like, this is a 24 by 24 shop. Basically your standard, little above standard double garage. About standard double garage. Maybe a little bit bigger, but it served me well. But the downfall is that you always have one bay full with a car. And no, I am not going to not have cars indoors. I worked hard to find a property when I moved out of my parents' place where I could work on cars on concrete and under a roof. And that needs to stay. Once you do that, you're not going back to working in the snow and gravel. But that also leaves me with just the one bay where I have been powder coating, fabricating, sandblasting, and plasma cutting, kind of all around this little hallway area. And it's been working, but it's too congested. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you over to the other shop and give you a glimpse of it while it's still empty. That way you can see it grow, become my own. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So anyway, I'm going to take you over there. So let's go check it out right now. And just like that, through the magic of television, this is my new shop. Sorry for the echo. It'll be a little echoey in here. All steel building, 35 wide by 42 deep. And you know what? I lucked out. This place is just about 5 houses down from where I currently live. I'm technically still in the town that I live in currently, so my kids can still walk to school, all that stuff. We're still close to friends, we're still close to family, we're still close to the neighbors' kids that my kids love playing with. And so I'm gonna take you around a little bit of a walk here. This is the main area. We already got the Bronco in here. We're already moving some stuff. This section is actually walled in for a garage. Excuse me. So this is where my wife will be parking the van. So that's kind of nice. The only downside to that is that I lose that part of the shop. But I am still gaining space, and it is still valuable space. We got high walls. I think they're 16 footers. Some spare tin, which is nice. This little nook here. And yes, we do have a mezzanine up there. That's going to be turned into office and storage. I'm actually going to build out the mezzanine all the way to this side yet one day. Get a hold of some I-beams. We got a bathroom in here. And then this little nook. I am going to rebuild some workbenches. For right now, I'll use these guys because they're here. And I can't take the workbench out of my shop I have now because that was all kind of part of the deal, and technically it's screwed down. Yeah, I lost a few other things in that deal because things were screwed down or screwed to the wall. But all the windows open. I got 2 windows up there in the office area or mezzanine. We got an exhaust fan up there already. Looks kind of small actually, but it'll do. So I am excited. Beyond excited actually. Some of it's kind of wore off because I've been here already, or we've been in and out of this place for a few days now. But I'm jacked, guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun in here. It'll still probably be a 2 to 3 car minimum in here because of this spot right here. That's where I'm gonna lose my space, but the wife needs a place to park. So that's gonna have that all floor heat. I might buy a nice big ceiling fan. Found one of those on a good deal the other day. I'm also looking into lifts, 4-post lifts. That'll help us out later, also for storage and for working. So I'm just trying to figure out the layout. I'm actually not sure where I'm gonna be doing my powder coating. So what I'm thinking right now is this is gonna be workbench. My plasma and sandblasting will be about here. And I'll either do my powder coating towards the end of this wall, or I might try cramming it right here between the bathroom and the edge of the stairs. Right now, my setup would fit here. I just don't know if I'm gonna upgrade anytime soon. If I build a bigger oven, I'm gonna need to come up with something different. But, so this is it, boys. I'm excited. Not in a million years would I have been able to build myself a shop of this size. And maybe that's not true. Maybe things would have gone well enough, but a guy like me would never have thought that he would own a shop like this. So I am truly, truly blessed. My family's excited to start a new adventure. My wife's excited to start. Reno's in the house, make it her own. She never moved. We didn't buy our first house together. She moved into a house I already owned. So it was she never felt like it was her house. So that's where this kind of comes into play. She's excited to build a house as a family. I'm excited that my family's gonna be happy. And if I get a shop out of the deal, it's, can't really get much better than that. So I'm super excited. This is just a little update video. There's not much to it. I just want to show you guys where I'm at in life right now. And I want to show you that you can grow some of this small stuff. I'm hoping to really push powder coating this year. I'm going to take you on that adventure with me. We'll see where we go. I hope to post a lot more videos. That's if I end up finding projects to do it. I know I want to work on the Regal. We want to get that engine done. We got plans for the Bronco. I also have an F350 that I need to pull the motor and put an oil pan on and do some body work. I actually might pay someone to do body work, but we'll see where that all goes. So I do have things to do. And then in between that, all the custom powder coating. I'm looking forward to the more experience. I'm looking forward to doing more exciting projects. And I'm excited to take you along with me. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. I appreciate that. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. See, we're at 720 or something like that. I think we can do it. I'm really looking forward to that, or at least trying to get that. Hopefully I put out good enough videos to get that. And yeah, I'm just excited. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I would really appreciate it. Hit the like button, throw some comments down there. And if you have ideas on shop layout or clever storage ideas or just any info whatsoever of what you did in your shop that makes things a little easier for you, I'd appreciate it. That helps me a lot because I got a lot to figure out here. But anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.